GeoSpatialPLUS is a geo-visualization extension which greatly enhances the geo-visualization capabilities of SAP Lumira Designer and Design Studio. GeoSpatialPLUS brings rich GIS capabilities to SAP Lumira Designer and Design Studio with a wide array of layers and more than 100 customizable properties for creating stunning geomaps. Archius has partnered with CMAPS Analytics to develop GeoSpatialPLUS to deliver a new wave of premium location analytics solutions with simplified mapping, GIS integration, and cloud mapping services. Using GeoSpatialPLUS, we have the ability to perform geocoding on the fly, meaning if we have address information, we don't have to create latitude and longitude values in the data set. In addition, we also have the ability to support standard regions out of the box. For example, we don't have to bring in an additional shapefile or GeoJSON file to represent the state codes or US metros on the geomap. Let us now jump into Design Studio to demonstrate how the extension works. Let us first work with zip code data to demonstrate geocoding properties. We create a new dataset using the bind property. Here we observe our dimension data is a series of zip codes along with the deliveries data as a measure. Let us select this measure and create the dataset. We can also configure up to 9 other datasets in a similar manner as shown here. Let us now look at configuring the layer. Under the Layer tab, we can observe all the different map imagery types that can be set. Here are a few examples. We can choose one that fits our design needs. Additionally, there are multiple layer types that can be added to the map. We choose a shape-based layer because it accurately plots area boundaries like region, state, zip code, or metro boundaries. Selecting the layer brings up additional configuration options. The dataset 1 that we have configured is selected by default. Let us set the deliveries measure present in our data source as the value field. We perform the geocoding by mapping the zip code under geocoding fields. We assign the shapefile type under the shapes category and set the geo level as US zips. Finally, let us set up conditional formatting in the way of alerts. The alerts we are setting up in our demo allow us to differentiate between the various zip codes based on their delivery values. Similarly, we add the rest of the thresholds. Let us also enable auto zoom so that only relevant portions of the map are displayed during runtime. Upon executing the application, we can observe the zip code layer we have configured and the way the alerts have segregated the zip codes.